This is the permanent way to treat dampness.
Hello family, so today is another day as we continue with our dampness treatment for this project right here in Kasoa, close to King's University. So today what are we doing? We are still damproving the wall, we are neutralizing the wall, removing all the salt and moisture content so that we can replaster with chemicals. And as I always say, if you are treating dampness without placing a barrier, it costs 90. You see this DPC, this is what is going to prevent a new damp from rising into your property. You understand? Then you replaster the affected wall. So basically that's what we are doing. If you have a challenge like this, you have a problem like this, you can call us on 055-011-2634 so that we come and give you the best of services. So currently that's what we are doing. Madam, so far how have you seen the work?
You are doing an excellent job here in Kasoa.
Okay. Okay, so what do you have for our audience?
So keep liking, keep sharing, and contact us. We are always available for you.
Yeah. Okay, can you give us some French? Because the people from French also want to know what we are doing.
Ok, bonne journée à vous tous.
Ok.
Aujourd'hui, nous sommes à Kasoa.
Ok.
Comme vous le voyez, toutes choses en relation de la construction des maisons, vous pouvez nous contacter à chaque fois, chaque minute. Nous sommes toujours là pour vous. Merci.
Thank you, Akpe. So from that sort of, if you can see, very bulletproof, very, very solid. Chief Mason, how do you see the job? You have to talk louder. What is saying? Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yo, that's nice. So, as you know already, we give you nothing but the best. So currently, that's what we are doing. And one thing for us, we always give the protection. So this particular place is the porch. And here, there is no place you can play the DP. So we place down here to protect this one from moisture and salt. We treated it that we have replastered it. And if you can see, very, very solid. You see, all the chemical we are spraying on the wall is still falling down. You understand? It's damp proof. This is what we call damp proofing. You understand? Very solid, very strong. This is very durable. And if you have a challenge like this, you are building a waterlogged area, or there is no water but they have salt, your paint are peeling off, your walls are always wet, or your walls are always turning to dust, call us on 055-011-2634. Let us come and give you the best of services. So this is what I mean. If you are facing this challenge like this, we are ready to deliver. I'm a zoom it for them. Don't wait for your wall to be damp. Don't wait for your wall to spoil. You can call us so that we come and give you the best of services. Have you zoomed it for them? Yes. So don't wait for the damage to increase. Remember, the more the damage, the more it increases your cost. So right now it is starting is while you have to call us. The earlier, the better. You understand? All right, come and stand this side. Let them have a feel of the property. So as I always say, Chief Mason, anytime they are treating dampness, get close to him so that I can say about it. So Chief Mason, yeah, anytime they are treating dampness, as I always say, it's good they get a good corridors and a good sand to mix so that they can neutralize. One problem is sometimes where they pick the sand from, the salt there, sometimes it contains clay, and clay always reduces the quality of the cement, the strength of the cement. The salt also reduces. So the moment you mix it corridors, you neutralize the bond, it becomes very solid. You see, so we are getting a perfect result for the client. Ahmed, we are getting a perfect result for the client. So Ahmed, come this side, let them have a feel like this. So fam, that's what we are doing. Normally we don't do around the steps, but we are doing it. So Ahmed, go down there. We are doing it. Why are we doing it? Because the client deserves the best. So we are improving every place, making sure that the client gets the best. We call it value for money. So value for money means that if the person pays 2 CD, the person has to get a result equal to 2 CD, not a result less than 2 CD. So whatever money they are paying, they have to get the result, the perfect result. Sometimes we go extra to do extra things for the client. And if you are a client and we have worked on a project for you, remember we'll be coming for regular maintenance to inspect the project, to see the if you are facing challenge. Normally you don't face any challenge, but what we do is that the building is like also the human body system. You understand? The human body is a system of which no matter what, no matter how strong you are, with time you have to go for checkup. The same thing happened to the building. With time, the building must be checked, must be inspected to see if there are challenges so that we find a way to solve it. So if you have worked for you before, be expecting us. We'll be coming. And we are the only team that give double protection. So when I say double protection, Chief Mason, this is what I mean. You see where the DPC is, see the level. This is 6 feet. And you understand, if you place the DPC, what are you doing here? You are not damp-proofing here. So we place another one here. The Chief Mason placed another one here to prevent the salt and moisture from rising, so that this one is protected and this one too is protected. We are the only one that do that. We are the only one that give the double protection. So call us, subscribe, write your thoughts in the comment section, follow us. You understand? So let's walk here and check something small. So this corner, this corner, because the columns and the beams and the slab, they are the structural members. We don't interfere with them. You have to make sure that you treat them very, very well. Because the moment you try to cut them down, it will affect the structural integrity of the building. You understand? So come, see the quality of plastering. Let them see the quality of plastering. Very smooth, very quality, very solid, very damp-proof. This is what we do. We give you nothing but the best because you deserve the best. So follow us, subscribe to the page, keep watching, and inspect the final video. You understand? Keep watching. We will bring you the final video when we are done with the whole project. So if you can see, very nice plastering, very neat one. You understand? I love this. Charlie, more boy Jumapa. Yeah. More boy Jumapa. Let's continue. So very, very good work. Yeah. Perfect plastering. Yeah. Let's continue. Very perfect plastering. Very neat plastering. This is what we do. We give you nothing but the best because you are special. And because you are building a brand. You know, one thing is whatever you are doing for people, take it like someone is doing it for you. Will you be happy? Until you are coming whether it's a canon, a you and you. Fanny say, Obi, a yamawa. When you bet home. That's why sometimes when you go to the other place, you move clean place in night. Because you feel you be a man of higher basa, will you be happy? So always make sure that you give the client the best. So this is one of the DPC that down here. You see double protection. We have done proof this and we have done proof this area to say the main DPC is around this level, right? It's around this level. And there is another one down here. Yeah, we are the only one that give you double protection if you can see it. This is what we do. This building is one of the biggest projects we have undertaken, and we are delivering excellent work for the client. It's like most behind another. That's nice. I'm happy. So let's take a quick walk inside the property. Subscribe to the page. Write your thoughts in the comment section. Follow, subscribe. Write your problem, your worries. If you need us, you can call us on 055 011 2634 so that we come and give you the best of services. So let's go inside the property. Then you will see. So you just stand there. You just stand there. Hello family, we are going inside the property so that we see the work we have done. Most of you ask, you want to know what is happening inside. Do we work on the inside or only the outside? So follow the team. As the team work inside the property, you will see the mason and his team doing a good job. Yes, so let's go inside the property. If you can see the level at which we play the DPC. That's why we give you double protection. You understand? This is what we do. Every client deserves the best. So let's go inside and see the good work we are doing. If you can see, we have successfully treated all this porch area. Very nice plastering. See, very neat plastering. And it is plastering with the old one perfectly. See, perfectly. So Chief Mason, take us around the project. Let's see the things that we have done. So if you can see this place, very nice. So when we are done, we'll clean all this place, so don't worry, okay? Normally we place rubber here, and the rubbers are all torn. So if you can see, very perfect plastering. Very perfect plastering, very neat plastering. Show them, let them see, very neat work. This is what we do. So if you need that, you can call us. Let's come and give you the best of services. So as we inspect the inside, let's inspect together. Very nice work. Very neat work. Very nice work, yeah. And I love what I'm seeing. Wow. Perfect plastering. This is perfect plastering. So whatever we do on the outside, we do the same thing on the inside too. So we are hardening the wall, making sure that it becomes more water resistant, more damp resistant. This is what we do. You understand? Let's check. This is the kitchen, right? Yeah, very neat work. Very neat work. Wow, neat plastering, very perfect, very neat, good work. So if they need that, they should let us know in the comment section. Let's see. As we continue inspecting, we work every part. See, quality plastering, neat work, neat, perfect plastering. This is what we do. We give you nothing but the best. We give you the best because you deserve it. If you can see, very good plastering, very perfect work. That's what we are doing right here in Kasoa. Very neat plastering, neat. Neat work, neat work, neat work. Chief Mason, I love the way. As I said, we should always give the client the best of services. Nothing but the best. So if you are treating dampness, always place your barrier, which is the DPC, so that you know that you have solved the problem once and for all, and it will not be okay again. Yes, keep on watching, subscribe to the page. So family, if you can see, this is what we do, family. We improve it, making sure that your building returns to its structural integrity. It's go back to the way it is before we come in. So we have successfully treated this place our barrier, which is the DPC. As you can see, with that DPC, the work of this was 90 because this is what is going to prevent a new dam from rising into your property. You understand? Then we re-strengthen the wall, we harden the wall with some other chemical. That's what we do. So if you need us, you can contact us on 055-011-2634 so that we come and give you the best of service. We will come and give you double protection and we'll give you 5 years warranty. Stay blessed, we love you, and subscribe and follow for more construction tips and safety measures. We love you, stay blessed. Bye.